Today, we're diving into a tool that claims to simplify your online shopping experience, DealSeek. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's take a closer look at what this platform offers and if it's worth your time. DealSeek is designed to help users find the best deals across various online stores. The core functionality revolves around aggregating discounts and promotions, making it easier for shoppers to save money without having to scour multiple websites. The user experience is fairly straightforward. You simply enter the product you're looking for, and DealSeek pulls up a list of retailers along with their current prices and any available discounts. What stands out immediately is the clean interface, which makes it accessible for a wide range of users, from casual buyers to more experienced shoppers. However, there are areas that feel a bit lacking. For instance, I noticed that the search results can sometimes be limited, and there's not always a wide range of retailers featured. Additionally, I found that the platform doesn't provide much context on the reliability of the stores listed, which could be a concern for those wary of online shopping. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, DealSeek is user-friendly and does a decent job of aggregating discounts, which can save you time and money. It's particularly useful for budget-conscious shoppers who like to compare prices quickly. However, there are some frustrations. The limited number of retailers can be a drawback, especially if you're looking for niche products. Plus, the lack of detailed information about store trustworthiness raises some concerns. Pricing transparency is another issue. While the tool is free to use, it's unclear if they have any hidden partnerships that might affect the deals you see. This platform might not suit those who are cautious about where they shop, or who prefer a more comprehensive tool with extensive retailer options. So, who should consider DealSeek? If you're a casual shopper looking for quick price comparisons, it might be worth a try. But if you prioritize extensive retailer options and trust signals, you may want to explore alternatives. Overall, it feels like a decent starting point, but there's room for improvement.